Greetings everyone, this is Group 2 for APP 385, and here is our presentation titled Improving Superstore Giant Sale Performance. Here are our group members, Tekai Liang, Nick Sikin, me, Arshad, Mud Sharif, and Zoe Hongjun.
The topic of our project is improving Superstore Gene sales performance. This project analyzed the Superstore Gene sales data from 2020 to 2023, revealing Tree's regional performance and the consumer behavior to optimize strategies, enhance profitability, and sustain its competitive edge in the U.S. retail industry. The Superstore Genes in U.S. faces 5 main problems. The first one is the regional sales differences. Regional sales variation and insufficient market analysts caused uneven resource allocation and missed opportunities. The third one is the seasonal differences. Sales fluctuate seasonally with peaks during holidays and varying product demand across seasons. The third one is the uneven performance among product categories. Core categories drive more revenue, while other categories underperform due to unclear product positioning. The next one is the increasing competitive pressure. Increasing competitor and the e-commerce platforms, diversifying consumer choice, and intensifying market competition. The last one is the lack of insights into customer preferences. Lack of customer insight causes unclear product positioning, inefficient resource use, and the potential customer loss.
Good day, everyone. My name is Tekai Liang. Now I will going to present the research objective. There are 3 research objectives, which are to evaluate Superstore Giants' overall sales performance and profitability, to identify Superstore Giants' main customer base, to identify and compare sales performance across different years. Now we are going to the data preparation parts. Data preparations is the process of collecting, cleaning, structuring, and transforming the data. This process converts the raw, unstructured, and cluttered data into a well-organized and structured formats, making it more effective for the analysis and visualizations. For this report, we focus on both data collection and data cleaning process. After that, data collection is a systematic process of gathering and evaluating information to address research questions, test hypotheses, evaluate outcome, and predict future events. In this research, we use secondary data collections with data sourced from tankers. The dataset used in this research is titled Sales of Superstore Giant in the United States and includes some key metrics such as customer name, shipping mode, product name, sales, quantity, discount, and profits. There are 3 steps in the data cleaning process. First, in the data import and initialization setup process, use first row as header options is used to set the first row in the return query as header after transforming the data. Then, merge the return query with the order query using the merge query functions, marking only the return column while leaving order ID column unchecked. Lastly, all non-entry in the return column will replace with no to indicate items that were not returned. In the part of invariant data removal and filtering, the remove column function was first used to delete unnecessary columns that do not contribute to the analysis, such as the ship date columns. Next, the remove duplicate functions was applied to eliminate redundant entry within the datasets. Additionally, the column quality features was activated to provide basic information about error and empty field so that we can identify the potential issue. Finally, the remove empty functions was used to clean up incomplete data in critical columns, such as order ID, ship mode, customer name, segment, and postal codes. In the last part of data standardization and formalizations, the detect data type options was first used to verify the data types, followed by adjustment using data types. For example, sales and profit were transformed into a fixed decimal number, while discount was formatted as a percentage. The replace value functions was employed to standardize text across the datasets. For instance, the terms office supplies and home office were replaced with office supply and home office in the categories and segment columns. Additionally, the split column features with the by delimiter setting was used to separate the country region, city, state, and province columns into a new 3 columns, which are column regions, city, and states province to improve clarity and usability. Continuing with the following, column will then rename to provide more informative and descriptive captions. For example, rename the column returns return to returns. Capitalize each word options in the format functions was further used to enhance the text standardizations to the column like ship mode, segment, region, category, subcategory, and returns to improve the readability. The trim setting was used to remove unnecessary white space in columns such as product ID, city, and state province. Lastly, the move functions reposition the return column next to the sales columns to improve the logical arrangement of the dataset for analysis.
I'm Lexi Chin. Now I will continue the part of data visualizations and discussions. Visualizations transform data into graphical form like line chart, bar chart, pie chart, and scatter plot. These visuals simplify complex information, highlighting key trends, making comparisons and relationships in the data. They are commonly used in presentations to help audience quickly understand the main ideas.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Sharifuddin. I'm here to present about the discussion part of the paper. Dashboard enables tracking of trends and facilitates data modification seamlessly. It also provides clear and help with comprehensive visualizations of the data through charts and graphs. It can help with quick and precise decision making with actionable insights. Next, we have sales report. We have the filter on the top, and we have multiple cards on the sides with sums of sales, sums of profit, sums of quantity, average of sales, and below that we have a map with sum of sale by states. Next, we have a line chart which is sales by year. Next, we have a bar chart for sales by month. We have area chart sales by quarter, and we have waterfall chart profit by days, and we have a line chart sales comparison and a table below it. Let's dive deeper into the dashboard. The first one is bar chart. It's a graphical representation of data where individual data points are displayed as a rectangular bar. This chart is looking at sum of sales by month. Let's summarize the chart. Sales shows a significant increase from September, peaking in October at 490,000. The lowest sales occur in February at 80,000. Q4 October to December consistently outperformed the other quarters, indicate strong seasonal trends or effective sales strategy during the end of the year. Next is area chart. Area chart is particularly useful for visualizing quantities and emphasizing the magnitude of change. Area chart is a combination of line chart and bar chart to show the value change over time. This chart is looking at sum of sales by quarter. Let's summarize the chart. Sales significantly increased from Q2 160,000 to Q3 380,000, showcasing a major uptrend. Next is Q3 recorded the highest sales, reaching 380,000. Next is sales dropped to 320,000 in Q4 after the peak in Q3, but still higher than the earlier quarters. The next chart is waterfall chart. The waterfall chart is also known as a bridge chart, visualizing the cumulative change in profit over time by displaying both positive and negative contribution. This chart is looking at the sum of profit by order date. Let's summarize the chart. Profit show a steady upward trend over days, reaching approximately 150,000 by day 26. Small decline are observed on certain dates such as day 3 around 3,000 loss and day 19 around 1,000 loss, but they are outweighed by overall gains. Notable profit spike occur on day 18 around 12,000 and day 23 around 22,000 and day 26 around 6,000, driving the cumulative profit upwards. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharif. The next one is line chart. A line chart is a type of graph that shows data points by straight line to display continuous data and trends like rise, fall, or oscillations. We use the line chart to compare Superstore Giant sales performance for 2022 and 2023. Based on the graph, the x-axis represents the order dates by quarter, while the y-axis shows the sales. The 2022 is the light blue line. The sales start at 0.1 million, is lower than the years of 2023 in quarter 1, and is grows steadily each quarter, finally reaching 0.27 million in quarter 4. The 2023 is the dark blue line. The sales begin stronger at 0.18 million in quarter 1 due to the targeted promotions. It dropped to 0.16 million in quarter 2, peaked at 0.38 million in quarter 3 due to the seasonal trends such as holiday or special events, and ends at 0.32 million in quarter 4, showing fluctuations due to the inventory challenges. This indicates while 2023's performance was less consistent, it achieved higher overall results compared to 2022, highlighting the effectiveness of targeting strategies in the year 2023. The second dashboard is product performance. It includes a filter located at the top right corner, allowing users to select specific product categories for focus analysis. There are another 6 different visuals, which is pie chart highlighting the distributions of segment type, a horizontal bar chart visualize data on shipping mode, the composition tree analyze quantity by category and subcategory, and combo chart compare monthly sales and quantities orders, a column chart displays sales by category and subcategory, and the last one is tables provide the best selling product and the most profitable products. In this dashboard, we will focus in explain the pie chart and combo chart. So a pie chart is a circular graphic divided into slices and is representing a proportion of the whole. It's best used to display categorical data with limited category for clarity. In this study, we use a pie chart to illustrate sales distributions across different segments, including consumer, corporate, and home office. By analyzing the pie chart, we found that the consumer segments are the majority of our customer base, representing 53.14%, while the corporate is 30.1%, but the home office segment is smaller, accounting for 60.76% only. This is because grocery store mainly serve individual household daily needs. Moreover, Jaya Grocer marketing and products focus more on consumers than other groups, making consumer become the majority of the store customer base. And the last one is combo charts. A combo chart is a type of visualizations used to compare data in different categories over a period. It helps viewers quickly identify differences between data sets. We use a combo chart to compare Superstore Giant sales and quantity. Based on the graph, we know that the bar chart is blue color, represent the sum of sales for each month, where the line chart is red color, represent the sum of quantity for each month. The sales were relatively low at the beginning of the year, which January to February. A significant upward trend emerged in March, possibly driven by increased customer demands. From April to August, sales stable at a consistent level, reflecting steady performance during these months. The most notable peak occurred in September, making the high sales of the years, influenced by seasonal events and targeted campaigns. However, sales declined in October and end on a high note in December. Overall, the sales and quantity have a general positive correlations. For example, when the quantity increases in September, sales in September also will increase.
Hello everyone, my name is Arshad Muhammad. Today I'll be presenting our key recommendations based on the data visualization analysis of Superstore Giant's sales performance from 2020 to 2023. Let's start with our strategic business recommendations. First is the seasonal performance optimization. Looking at our first key finding, we can see significant seasonal variations in sales performance. Our data shows peak periods during major holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas, while other periods show notable decline. To address this, we recommend implementing robust demand forecasting systems, especially for high traffic periods, taking proactive measures to prevent stockouts during peak seasons, aligning our promotional activities with these seasonal spikes to maximize revenue. Next is customer segment focus. Moving to our customer analyses, this pie chart clearly shows that the consumer segment forms the majority of our customer base at 53.14%. Based on this insight, we recommend developing targeted marketing strategies for this crucial segment, implementing personalized promotions and loyalty programs, and lastly, creating special product bundles during peak seasons to drive engagement. Next is regional performance. Our analysis also revealed significant regional disparities in sales performance. To address this, we suggest conducting detailed regional market analyses, developing location-specific promotional strategies, and lastly, optimizing our distribution networks in underperforming areas. Next is operational and technical recommendations. Quarter 2 performance improvement. A consistent pattern we identified is the sales dip during the second quarter. To counter this, we recommend launching targeted mid-year promotional campaigns, introducing exclusive product launches during this period, and lastly, developing strategic partnerships to create competitive advantages. For the product portfolio, our analysis of product performance highlighted varying contributions across categories. Our recommendations include focusing on high-performing categories, evaluating and potentially phasing out underperforming products, and optimizing inventory based on category performance data.
In conclusion, this paper analyzed the Superstore Jeans US sales data from 2020 to 2023, identifying key issues like resource allocation, underperforming product, and seasonal fluctuations. A Power BI dashboard provides insights to optimize resource use, improve inventory management, and design targeted marketing strategies, boosting competitiveness and the support growth.
That's all from us. Thank you.